Welcome to Vehicle Vibes, your ultimate destination for bike reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into the latest 2025 Hero Splendor Plus, a bike that continues its legacy of reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordability. Let's explore what makes this commuter motorcycle a top choice for riders. Design and build. The 2025 Splendor Plus retains its classic commuter-friendly design but now comes with modern graphics and refreshed color options. Its sturdy frame, comfortable seat, and upright riding posture make it perfect for daily commutes. The build quality remains solid, ensuring durability on all types of roads. Engine and performance. Powering the Splendor Plus is a 97.2cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine producing around 8.02 bhp and 8.05 Nm of torque. The i3S idle stop-start system enhances fuel efficiency, making it one of the most economical bikes in its segment. The smooth, 4-motor speed gearbox ensures effortless city riding. Mileage and fuel efficiency. One of the biggest reasons people love the Splendor Plus is its exceptional mileage. With Hero's refined engine technology, this bike delivers an impressive 65-70 km/L, making it a budget-friendly option for daily riders. Features and technology. The 2025 model now includes a semi-digital instrument cluster, an LED DRL, and a USB charging port. Hero has also introduced Xsense technology, optimizing performance and efficiency. While it keeps things simple, it offers just the right amount of modern features for everyday use. Suspension and comfort. For a smooth ride, Hero has equipped the Splendor Plus with telescopic front forks and dual rear shock absorbers. The comfortable single-piece seat and well-placed foot pegs ensure a fatigue-free riding experience, even on longer commutes. Braking and safety. The bike comes with drum brakes on both ends with an integrated braking system, IBS, for better stopping power. While it lacks a disc brake option, the braking setup is adequate for city riding. Price and verdict. The 2025 Hero Splendor Plus is expected to be priced around $7.05 ex-showroom. For anyone looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and low-maintenance bike, this remains one of the best choices in the commuter segment. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Vehicle Vibes for more exciting bike content. Ride safe and stay tuned for more.